Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I got this fresh lines on.
Sensational.
Zinanibamba sana. I don't like bulky hair anyway. So I was just waking up. It's on a Sunday. It's 9 a.m. I am actually really sick. Yeah, I had a rough night. So mama ameniamsha na fujo. Anyway, so people are at the breakfast table. So I'm supposed to go take breakfast. I'm here with Teddy, our dog. So I want you guys to spend the day with me. So let's spend the day together, guys, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and comment down below.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So guys, I want to groom, and honestly I need to clean my mom's mirror. Sijui ni clean sahi ama, but I need to clean. I have just finished brushing my teeth, and right now this is the situation of my bed, and I want to make it. Guys, I'm done making the bed. Huku home hakunanga story na nini machi. So the pillowcases that are there are the ones that you use. Yeah. So my mom has given me meds. Warm water. Let me just put it over here. So these are the meds I've been given. Let me just take them and see where it goes. So many hi guys.
Okay.
So guys, this is what I was having for breakfast, though I later on removed the avocado because my mom advised against it because it wasn't good for my stomach ache. But yeah. So guys, you know African homes, when you're the last one on the table, you have to do the clearing. So that is what I want to do right now. And honestly, siski vizuri. Let me tell you, siski poa kabisa. But it is what it is. So nimalizi hapa, then I see what I'm going to do next. So guys, I'm done cleaning the table. This is the mirror situation. Mnaona hizo stains hapa na nini, the sink pia, it's not clean. So that's what I want to do, but off camera because sitaki kuchukua muda wenyu mwingi. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Yeah. Manze, aki subscribers 200 tumeshindwa kufika. Tutaifika 1000 lini guys? Let's get to 1000 subscribers. Tafadhalini, please. If you're watching this, kindly just consider subscribing. church, nimebaki peke yangu. It's around I'm realizing now my mom left her phone and it's what I'm using to shoot because I feel like its front camera is slightly better than mine. So it's 11:27 and what else haven't I done? Then I cook chapati and maybe I may tell a little story when cooking chapati. So stay tuned. I hope mna subscribe. Sindio? Maybe this front camera mom is a little better. Si kama yangu. Na mimi I love these lines. Oh my god. Mi nywele imenibamba. So nilimwambia ache hizi so that nipake gel yenye sijanunua bado cause akishuka hadi hairline nitakuwa na kasijui aje. I don't want my forehead to start here. Usually about 2 weeks or a week before salary day, I usually sit down and plan on how I want to spend my money. Usually it always ends up, okay, the last 2 months have been really tough because there was something I was paying off. But right now, at least I'm going to have some money left of my tiny peanuts to do something. So I actually wrote, andika. My handwriting is bad, but bear with me. And there are just some things I need to add here. So basically that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to need a shaver because the bush is bushing. When my pen imetoa wapi, it's really writing. When nika gel pen, I will steal it. So this month, God willing, I really want to get a portrait for my bedside. I had asked before and it was going for 1,500 shillings. The time that I find him is the time I don't have money. Usually write like content I want to do. Unajua nafikanga place na feel kama nakwama. By the way, if you guys don't know, being a content creator, I think with like 0 fans, you mean unajua zero. It is really hard because I can't wake up and say, oh, today I'm going to Masai Mara, I'm going to do a travel vlog for you guys, because pesa Masai Mara inatoka wapi, my dear, ama niamke niseme ati, oh, I want to do like food vlogs, I want to go to restaurants and eat there. I cannot. That's why I cook some basic omena and show you guys. I just do home cooking vlogs because right now I'm not in the capacity to go and shoot in restaurants or something like that. Oh, things to do this closing. So we close school, guys, and nilikuwa na some certain things I needed to achieve. So wash beddings and clothes, done. Go home, done. Plait hair, done. Watch movies, done. So on my list kuna vitu mbili zitafanya. Spend quality time and hang out with my best friend. Guy, I don't think this one will make cause aki walai sina time. Yeah, kwa job, mi pia nitakuwa job. So I don't think we'll get time, but nitajaribu hata kama ni one day so that I create time. It's chapati o'clock. Now I want to make the chapatis and I'm boiling water for making the dough. Ini mingi, I'll just use a little. Then the beseni where I'll kanda, I want to clean this surface because that is where we make our chapatis here at home. And I won't do the whole thing because e-vlog me spending a day with me, so it's not a cooking vlog basically. I'm just taking you through the steps of my normal day at home. So right now, ni sangapi? 12:19. It's around 12:19, and I wanted to start cooking at 12, though I am a fast chapati maker. Anyway, so let me clean the surface, and as the water warms, then ni chukue unga. Hata sijui kama mafuta ni enough, you people. Anyway, I'll work with what is there. Mind you, my family doesn't know I'm actually going to make these chapatis. Watatoka church and then they're just like, oh my god, is somebody cooking chapatis? The person who refused to go to church because she was sick. Anyway, let me do this. So guys, I'm done making the dough and here it is. So I'm just going to cover it using this kitambaa. I have this kitchen towel. Si kuifunika, literally just the top, so that when it sets, nimekumbuka, let me go wash the outside toilet. Haikai mzuri. I've never been this productive at home, by the way. Nakujanga huko kutumia wifi na kulala. So, this is me manifesting pocket money. I am broke, my people. I'm broke. So, nimeifunika. This is me. I've just covered it. I'm going to leave it here in the kitchen to set when I go wash the one.
was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Guys, I'm done. The air freshener is freshening. It smells like lemon and it's nice. You can see it's actually really clean. Yeah, I've done myself a commendable job. Yeah, so I think it's time to go check on our chapatis, on our duff, so that we can start making the chapatis. We huku mtu anakuwa humble, though mimi nakuanga humble all the time. Sinanga mambo mingi. Let me just return this real quick to the house. And yeah, guys, I have done rolling the duff. I don't know, but as a position preview, as you can see, open now. So I'm also preheating the pan. I'm preheating it so that nikekelea tu hivyo, and I can feel it's already hot. So I need to move like really fast. I don't know what the time is, but I know watu wanatoka church any minute from now. So they will be home any second. So I need to really hurry up. Guys, I just was going through the cupboard and found this beautiful dish. Nikona kakifuniko kake, this one. So it's glass, so I'm avoiding handling it sana. So I want to cut the chapatis into pieces, then niziweke hapa, then niziweke kwa meza. The family members are back. My mom is not yet back, so basically right now I am frying onions for the cabbage, and the chapati is also in making. Yeah, we're in progress. So that's what's up, and hope you've subscribed. So Sai basically summarizing on lunch, and sina kitu ya kusema. So guys, catching up with the vlog. I ate, took a shower, ready to go back to my place, the broke place, the place where there is no food, land of no milk and honey. But I'm ready to go, guys. So I think I'm comfortable like this. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. So until next time, see you.